Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at SEI or CE, however you would like to call it. Basically, I will be giving you some of the reasons why I am bullish on this and some of the reasons why the SEI coin may see a lot of sell pressure in the coming months. So first of all, if you're not aware about the SEI blockchain, basically it is the first parallelized EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, as you can see. This allows SEI to get the best of Solana and Ethereum, a hyper-optimized execution layer that benefits from the tooling and mindshare around the EVM. So basically, SEI is the first parallelized AVM, so that's something that they have going on for them. So basically it is the EVM, Ethereum virtual machine is used to process the transactions such as Ethereum. Most crypto native developers are extremely familiar with EVM. I think you already know that. So basically most of the EVMs are inefficient because they are on the layer 1 and they are not able to process more than 20 TPS, as you can see. But that's not the case for the SEI. As you can see, as of now it is actually capable of doing around 5k or 5000 transactions per second. That is a lot, and in theory it could actually end up hitting 12k, so that is pretty big one, as you can see here. And they do have around 400 millisecond time to finality. That is pretty fast. So basically SEI represents a 100x improvement on the EVM. This unlocks an entirely new design space for application developer, and it also makes EVM much cheaper to access for the normal people. And if you look at its ecosystem has been growing rapidly, as you can see. And if you look here, there are a lot of coins launching on SEI as well, so that's pretty good, I think. So some of the news about the SEI recently which have, I think, and which will impact the SEI in the long run are these one. So basically SEI has been doing a lot of funding for its ecosystem. As you can see here, we have 50 million fund, Japan ecosystem fund to boost gaming, social and entertainment sector on the SEI, so that's pretty good. And they also had SEI's creator fund round 2 coming up, so that was a pretty big one, as you can see here. And the same goes for the SEI launching Gitcoin creator fund as well. So basically they are doing a lot of marketing around their funds, and I think that's going to increase their ecosystem rapidly. And after that, we do have a pretty big announcement. As you can see here, SEI's parallel EVM is open for everyone. Still it's in the beta, as you can see, but still I think once it does come out live, I think this is going to be a pretty big deal for the SEI as well. So before we move to its ecosystem, let's just try to see how its DeFi is doing. So if you look at its DeFi, as you can see here, the TVL is going crazy, and despite overall TVL going down, the SEI, as you can see here, overall total value locked on the DeFi is going down, but SEI is actually doing pretty good, and it just hit a new all-time high as well. So I think that does matter. That means that SEI is actually growing. That's pretty good news for the SEI. So if you just look here, as you can see here, their finance or G Finance, which is a lending platform on SEI, did gain over 60%, which is a lot. And we have Silo Stake, which is liquid staking on SEI. It has gained over 500% in the last 30 days. That is a pretty big one. Even their dexes are coming up. Same goes for these two top dexes, so that's pretty good, and I think that is going to impact SEI in the future. But as of now, SEI is doing pretty awesome when it comes to the ecosystem. And we do have some of the coins or some of the tokens in the ecosystem, as you can see here. That's pretty good, I think, for the SEI, and they have been gaining a lot, as you can see here. So we have some stats on the SEI, as you can see here. This is a pretty good one. So if you look here, in the from I think September 7th or September 6th, in just 7 or 6 days, as you can see here, SEI has seen over 200k increase in new accounts, so that's pretty massive, as you can see. And we do have a lot of active accounts coming up as well. And on the 12th September, as you can see here, we had over 80k 80k active accounts, so they're rather pretty big one. And if you look here, new accounts have gone new accounts have also increased rapidly, as you can see. So that's pretty good, I think. And we have every transaction fees as well, so those are pretty stable, so that's pretty good. And the new transactions have been growing rapidly, as you can see. They are, I believe, as of now doing 100k in average, so that's pretty good one. And as of now there have been over 10 million total transactions as well, so that's pretty good as well, as you can see here. And the transaction success rate is pretty high as well, so that's pretty good one when it comes to the SEI token itself. So that is all why I am bullish on the SEI, because it has a growing ecosystem and its TVL is going up, and they are also investing a lot in their ecosystem as well, so that's pretty good. But there is an issue with SEI. So one of the biggest issue with SEI as of now is its coin, as you can see here. It has a max supply of 10 billion, but as of now only 3.3 billion is in the circulation. But if you look at it vesting, as you can see here, the this gray one are basically private sale investors, you can see, and they will get around 2 billion SEI coins, and as of now they have started to receive their coins on a monthly basis, as you can see here. And we have next batch coming up. I think it is coming up in, I think it will come on the 1st October, as you can see. So the investors will be getting again a lot of coins, so that means SEI is going to see a lot of sell pressure on the monthly basis, and I think that means that we'll most probably see SEI struggle to go up. But again, its ecosystem is growing, so that could mean that the SEI could actually balance out that sell pressure and go up, but we have to wait and see for that. But as of now, if you look at the SEI itself, as you can see here, this is the price action on the SEI, and it is actually down from $1.13, and if you look here, this is a pretty big price correction. So basically as of now, SEI is actually down 72% from its all-time high and does not look good as of now. But I think it is actually trying to go up, and it's not making any new lows. But again, as I said, that we will most probably see a lot of sell pressure, and as of now BTC is going up. But if the BTC ends up retracing around let's just say that 48k, I think the SEI will most likely come around at this price, and I think this is the best price to get into the SEI. And if you do enter into the SEI, it is best to actually stake the SEI, and you will get the staking rewards, and I think you will be able to actually get a lot of benefit in the future. But as of now, I think we have to wait for this sell pressure to come in before getting into the SEI. But overall, I think the SEI is pretty bullish, and it could actually end up competing against Solana in the future. That is a big possibility because of its finality, and I think it is one of the fastest blockchain out there, and I think this could be a newcomer blockchain that you have to keep your eyes on, because it is still in the beta, and once I think they do come out on the mainnet, I think that is going to be pretty big one, or the pretty massive achievement for the SEI, and I think it will get a lot of attraction as well. But as of now, I think it's if you're looking to enter into the SEI coin, it would be, I think, better to wait around 15 cent or even 12 cent. Better to wait for the BTC to go either way, and if the BTC does ends up going above 70k, I think the SEI could actually end up hitting at least 60 cent as of now, and that is a 2x from here. If it does go even more up, I think we will most likely be retesting somewhere around 76 or 90 cent is a possibility. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.